Mark Twain Junior High.
I want to bring programs into the school that you wouldn't typically see.
Innovation meets purpose with programs.
One of those being technology.
Designed to open doors for students right here in our community.
One of my favorite rooms is the Esports room.
Step inside and you'll find more than lessons.
We are really pulling in students to a community that wouldn't necessarily be involved in activity sports like typical football, softball, volleyball.
You'll find a culture of belonging.
Everybody here is unique and everybody gets to enjoy and express themselves in different ways.
Students find their place through clubs, connections, and classes that spark interest and inspiration.
And I like that they made new labs for everybody because a lot of people like science. I think AVID was very fun because you get to know about different colleges and you get to go on field trips.
And as our campus grows, so do the opportunities.
I'm involved in rallies, PBIS, the games, the movies, the Fun Fridays.
Thanks to a new science building, a modernized track and field, and a revamped quad.
I'm excited to use the new quad that they built. It's really nice. It has a lot of room for what we do, arts and projects.
We're also home to a district first, a virtual reality math class where students put on headsets and tackle challenging problems in a whole new way.
Students are working with goggles and hand toggles, and they are working through legit math problems that are rigorous, and so it's fun to see them really become fully engaged in math.
This is Mark Twain, led by a principal who once walked these same halls.
I was a student here at Mark Twain. I became a teacher here at Mark Twain, and I am now the principal here at Mark Twain.
Powered by a staff who believes in every student's potential. This isn't just a school, it's where you belong.